Soil investigation in Faridabad city is a crucial step in the process of construction and infrastructure development. Understanding the soil composition and characteristics is essential for designing and constructing safe and durable structures. Faridabad, being a rapidly growing industrial city in Haryana, requires thorough soil investigation to assess the suitability of the soil for various construction projects. The soil investigation process involves the collection and analysis of soil samples from different locations within Faridabad city. These samples are then tested in laboratories to determine their physical and chemical properties, such as moisture content, density, permeability, shear strength, and compressibility. The results of these tests provide valuable insights into the soil's behavior under different loading conditions, which helps engineers in designing appropriate foundations and structures. The soil investigation in Faridabad city also helps in identifying potential geotechnical hazards, such as landslides, soil liquefaction, or expansive soils. By studying the soil composition and its response to various forces, engineers can take necessary precautions and implement suitable engineering solutions to mitigate these risks. Moreover, soil investigation plays a crucial role in determining the type of foundation required for different structures. Based on the soil properties discovered during the investigation, engineers can choose between shallow foundations, such as spread footings or mat foundations, or deep foundations, such as pile foundations or caissons. The selection of the appropriate foundation system is vital to distribute the loads from the structure to the underlying soil in a safe and efficient manner. In addition to construction projects, soil investigation in Faridabad city is also essential for urban planning and infrastructure development. In the process of building and developing infrastructure, soil testing is an important phase in the city of Faridabad. Designing and building safe and enduring structures requires an understanding of the soil's features and makeup. Faridabad, a fast-expanding industrial city in Haryana, needs detailed soil study to determine whether the soil is suitable for a range of development projects. Soil samples from various areas inside the city of Faridabad are collected, and then they are analyzed as part of the soil inquiry procedure. Following that, these samples are examined in labs to ascertain their chemical and physical characteristics, including moisture content, density, permeability, shear strength, and compressibility. Engineers can build suitable foundations and structures with the aid of the results of these tests, which offer vital insights into the behavior of the soil under various loading circumstances. The soil investigation in the city of Faridabad aids in locating potential geotechnical dangers like landslides, soil liquefaction, and expansive soils. Engineers can take the necessary precautions and apply relevant engineering solutions to limit these hazards by researching the composition of the soil and how it responds to different forces. By doing